He lives in a $500,000 house or more. You have a Porsche. He has a Porsche. He has a slingshot. He has a Range Rover. He's out of the country right now, probably in a luxury hotel. I'm
All
seeing pictures of luxury handbags and stuff. Liquefy one of those.
Right out of the gate, we've got the mother painting a picture of dad's lifestyle. Porsche, Range Rover, luxury trips abroad, and expensive handbags. It's like she's laying out Exhibit A, wealth and priorities. But here's where it gets interesting. Child support cases aren't just about flashy assets. The court doesn't order someone to sell their Porsche to pay support. Instead, it looks at steady, provable income. That's why Social Security disability benefits become the centerpiece here. What do you think? Should a parent's luxury lifestyle factor into child support orders, or should it strictly come down to income on paper?
right, do both of you swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Looks like we had a hearing back in June, and we were trying to find out about Social Security and see if the child could receive a benefit. I did some temporary orders. Mr. Tatum, go ahead and proceed.
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, the state would like to call the mother in this matter. Ma'am, can I get you to state your name for the record?
It's Aisha. It was Riles, but it's Aisha Coffee.
And the name of the child or children that we're hearing reference to?
Tony Johnson.
All right. Is it your understanding that the child is currently receiving benefits from the father's Social Security?
Correct.
All right. Is that in the amount of $1,076 per month, which began on June 2025?
That's correct.
All right. In total, the child has received $18,084 from Social Security since June. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And the child is currently receiving state insurance. Is that correct?
Yes.
And is it your understanding that the father is receiving SSDI in the amount of $2,100 per month?
That's what he says. Yes.
All right. Based off of that information, the state will request that the father pays medical support in the amount of $63 per month. Are you in agreement to that amount?
Did you catch that? Child support is being set at $0 per month. That sounds insane at first. How can child support be zero? Here's the trick. The child is already receiving direct benefits from the father's Social Security in the amount of over $1,000 monthly. Because of that, the law says his obligation to pay support directly is offset. Translation: the government check replaces his child support check. But let me ask you, if you were the other parent, would you be okay with this, or would it feel like dad got off easy?
Yes.
And that child support beginning on October 1st, 2025 will be set at $0 per month based off of the outset for the Social Security. Are you in agreement to that as well?
Yes.
All right, the state has calculated child support arrears in this case in the amount of $24,167.08 before any credits are provided. Are you in agreement to the confirmation of the arrears and that amount?
Correct. Yes.
And the state will request, and you're in agreement to, giving credit in the amount of $18,084 based off of the Social Security payments. Is that correct?
Absolutely. That's correct.
All right. And with the credits provided, the state will request a judgment in the amount of $6,083.08 to be paid at $80 per month. Are you in agreement to that amount?
Yes.
And as it relates to the medical support arrears, the state has calculated medical support arrears with no credits in the amount of $130, to which the state will request that the father pays $10 per month towards that amount. Are you in agreement to that as well?
Yes.
And do you believe that the father has the ability to pay those as provided, those amounts as provided?
Yes.
Now here's the real drama. The mother isn't buying the idea that dad can't pay. She's pointing to assets, vacations, and that big house. This highlights a huge tension in family court: income versus lifestyle. Courts calculate support on actual income, not whether someone is posting vacation selfies from a 5-star resort. That can be frustrating, but it's also protection against speculation. Otherwise, every flashy Instagram post could turn into a financial liability. Should courts consider lifestyle as proof of hidden money, or stick strictly to pay stubs and benefits?
And why is that you believe that, ma'am?
Well, he has assets that he could liquidate and pay for their arrears. The last time I was here, I presented pictures. He's out of the country right now, probably in a luxury hotel, and I mean, he can afford to pay that. It's not a whole lot. So even though he may be receiving uh, whatever 2,000 a month in Social Security, he has two incomes because he is also married. He lives in a $500,000 house or more. You have a Porsche. He has a Porsche. He has a slingshot. He has a Range Rover, which I don't even know how anybody would pay or afford the insurance on that per month over with only $2,000. So that tells me he has access to pay right there. I'm
All
seeing
right.
pictures of luxury uh, handbags and stuff. Liquefy one of those. So, it's not a whole lot of money.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Do you have any additional information you'd like to offer to the court at this time?
No.
Nothing further from this party owner. At this time, Your Honor, the state would like to call the father here in this matter. Sir, can I get you to state your name for the record?
Yes, Antonio Johnson.
And Mr. Johnson, just to confirm, you are currently receiving SSDI in the amount of $2,100 per month. Is that correct?
That's correct.
You have two additional minor children. Is that correct?
Correct.
And is it your understanding that the child here in this matter started receiving benefits from your Social Security in the amount of $1,076 per month, beginning somewhere around June 2025?
Yes, that's correct.
And it has been reported that the child has received a total in the amount of $18,084 for Social Security benefits since June 2025. Do you believe that to be correct?
That's correct.
All right. The state has calculated medical support going forward in the amount of $63 per month. Would you be in agreement to paying that, sir?
Let's say it again now. I'm sorry. Last
Yes.
part.
The state is requesting that you pay state medical in the amount of $63 per month. Are you in agreement to that amount?
Yes.
And the state will request that child support be set at $0 based off of the offset of the Social Security. Are you in agreement to that beginning October 1st, 2025?
Correct.
All right. The state has also calculated child support arrears in the amount of $24,167.08 without any credits as of September 16th, 2025, and will request to provide credits based off of the Social Security payments in the amount of $18,084, thus taking a judgment in the amount of $6,083.08, to which the state will request that you pay $80 per month towards that amount. Would you be in agreement to that, sir?
Correct. Yes.
So just to confirm, you are in agreement to paying the $80 per month towards the judgment of $6,083.08.
And now we hear from Dad. He's confused, maybe frustrated. He asks, why can't the Social Security benefits already being paid cover not just current support, but also the arrears? That's the back pay owed from before. This is where legal nuance kicks in. Social Security can cover current obligations, but arrears, past due amounts, are still on the parent. The court won't erase history just because benefits kicked in later. Think of it like a credit card. Making future payments doesn't erase what you already owe. Do you think that's fair, or should benefits wipe out both past and present obligations?
Well, I'm in agreement on paying it, but I do have a question with the amount of child support that she's getting and the amount where the child support that's based off my income, and plus the extra money that she's getting, what I'm saying, with the Social Security. The problem I have is how come, what I'm saying, the extra $700 some dollars that she's getting, whatever it is, through Social Security can offset, the other $80 a month.
And sir, do you understand that that amount that's being confirmed is something that you already owe, but we are stopping child support going forward? Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, I do understand that part.
All right. The state has also calculated medical support in the arrears in the amount of $130 as of September 16th, 2025. We request that you pay that at $10 per month. Are you in agreement to that amount, sir?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
All right. Do you have any additional information that you'd like to offer to the court at this time?
No, I do not.
All right. Nothing further from this party, Your Honor. Again, the state is requesting to confirm the arrears and set the child support at $0 and medical support at $63.
Okay, I'm gonna agree with the proposed order. which is the medical support. At 63, the arrears judgment and payment of $80 and the payment of $10 a month on the small medical support arrears. The sooner you can pay off these child support and medical support arrears.
The judge steps in with some tough love. Pay it sooner, you save money. Drag it out, you'll pay more in interest. It's like the court is giving him financial advice along with legal orders. What's fascinating here is how judges often turn into part financial coach, part disciplinarian. They know dragging out arrears can bury someone in debt for years. But at the same time, the court has to protect the child's right to support. This closing moment is almost like a moral: take responsibility now or let debt control your future. What would you do in his shoes? Pay it all at once if possible, or chip away slowly month after month.
That'll lower your payment altogether another $90 a month.
Okay.
So if you want to pay it all off, the $6,083 and the $130, you want to just pay it all off, then you'll save yourself $90 a month. And the only thing you have to pay at that point is just the $63 a month. So it's to your benefit to pay it off sooner rather than later. If you take a while to pay it off, it'll accrue interest, which means it'll add on to what you're paying and it'll take you longer to pay it off. But that's up to you. At the very least, you need to make these monthly payments each and every month so that at least the balance will slowly go down. And then at some point in the future, if you want to pay it all off, you definitely can. And then you won't have to pay that anymore. All right, the Attorney General's office will put that all in a court order and email you a copy after I sign it. Y'all are done with court. This will be our final hearing. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you.